In this video, I want to show you how to write an article or how to write any piece of content at all using only your smartphone. Now, this tutorial will be very quick. I'm going to show you the application we'll be using, and this is it. It's called WPS Office. Now, WPS Office is just like having Word. It's just like having Microsoft Word on your smartphone. That is what it is. So you can download it for free on Play Store. Although it is not entirely free, it has a premium plan, but you can still use most of the features of the application for free. So you can download it on Play Store if you're an Android user. I don't know if it is available for iPhone users. If you use an iOS device, and I'm not sure it's available, but please, you can check. You can check the App Store if it's available. But if it is not available, then search for alternative applications to WPS Office. So what you want to do is open WPS Office, and I also want you to know that I use my phone to write too. I use my phone to write articles. I use my phone to write scripts, even though I have a laptop. That's because sometimes my phone might just be with me. I might not be with my laptop. For instance, if I go out, if I go for an event, of course I can't take my laptop. I might just be with my phone, and if I have an idea I want to jot down, or if I have a quick article to write for someone, I will just use my phone. And as you can see, these are a list of articles I have actually written, and scripts using this particular smartphone you are seeing in this video. I've written hundreds of content using my smartphone, and I want to show you how you can actually do that. And it is very easy. But before we proceed, please, if it is your first time coming to this channel, I would advise you to hit the subscribe button, because that's the only way you can enjoy more content like this on my channel. If you do not subscribe, by the time I upload another video, you won't be notified. So make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and that is another way of even supporting me and supporting the channel, for providing you with this piece of information. Now, if you have subscribed, I want to say a very big thank you to you, and I think we can now proceed with the tutorial. So the first thing you want to do is click on the plus sign. Once you click on the plus sign, you'll be shown a variety of things you can actually do with WPS Office. Now, you can actually create a spreadsheet if you want to. You can see, if that's what you want, but that's not the purpose of this tutorial. You can also create a presentation if that's what you want, like a PowerPoint presentation. As you can see, I think I'm gonna have to make a tutorial on this. You can also create a memo, and then if you want to write like an article, all you need to do is click on new documents, then click on the blank page. Then you can just start typing. Now, it's not just about typing. The main where the main work is your ability to actually format your content. Now, imagine you writing on your phone, and by the time you send it to a client or to whomever you want to send it to, the person opens it in a laptop and then it is disorganized. That would be very poor. That would be incompetent. So what you want to do is know how to format, and that's exactly what I'll be showing you this tutorial. So I'll pick an article that I wrote recently, so we can use that as like like an example or a case study. So check this out. So this is a topic I wrote recently for a client, and as you can see, I used my phone to actually write this. This is a 2000 word content. You can see the word count, 2447, over 2000 word, and I used my phone to write this. I think I wrote this in like 3 hours or so. And you can actually do the same thing once you have mastered this this tutorial or this method I'm about to show you. So what you want to do is to understand how you need to format your content. So let's say you have written your content. As you can see, here is a heading. This is the main heading. Here is like the body of the content, and as you can see, this is a subheadings. This is a bullet point right here, bullet point, bullet point, bullet points, and this is numbering, this are numbering, and this is also a heading. So to create like a heading, all you need to do is highlight. So let me create So let me type something here. As a heading. So let's say, sorry about that. Let me just type something. So let's say we want to make this a heading. What we'll do is we'll highlight it, then click on this tools, this option that says tools, and here you'll be shown, the board of tools that you can use to edit your content. So you click on paragraph and you click on this to put it in the center, to align it to the center of the page. And then you can click on fonts to increase the size of the font, or you leave it at 14. And you can also change, you can make it bold or not bold, or you can make it bold, and you can also change the color of the font. You can also add, like a background color. You can see that, especially when you like highlight the text, or you can leave it blank. You can underline it if you want to by clicking this to underline your heading, but there's no need to underline the heading because it's already in capital letters, so there is no need for that. And so basically that's how you can create a heading, and then you can go ahead and write your body of content. And when it comes to creating like a subheading, that's not difficult at all. All you need to do is highlight your text, increase the font size so that it is bigger than the regular font, and then you make it bold. You make it bold, you embolden your text. And to create bullet points, that's very easy. All you need to do is to click on tools, then go to paragraph, scroll down, and you can see bullets. So select bullets. You can choose this if you want to, or this, or this, or this, or this, or this, anyone, or you choose numbers if that's what you want to. So let's say I want to use this. And once you've selected that, all you need to do is write what you write, you type in your word, and then you click on this to move to the next bullet, and you type in what you want, move to the next bullet, just like that. So basically I've shown you how to create a heading, how to create a subheading, and bullet points, and that's basically what you need to write a normal piece of content like an article or something like that. So I hope this helps. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to use the comment section to talk to me. I'll be so happy to respond to you. Bye bye. And yes, oh sorry, I forgot. If you want to save your content, just click on save as, and you can you can type in the name, and then you click on save, and it will be saved into your mobile device.